Welcome to Tech Geek. The demand of the situation has always invited new inventions. In fact, what is even the history of mankind without the invention of gadgets? Presenting to you, the new tech gadgets and inventions available on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Number 1. OYO Personal Gym. Transform your body, anywhere, anytime, total body workout. Build muscle, increase flexibility, burn fat, strengthen chest, back, arms, core, abs and legs while increasing cardio endurance. OYO Fitness Director Nick Bolton has created over 60 men and women, beginner to advanced workout programs, including resistance training, cardio, HIIT, yoga, Pilates and walking. The OYO Gym's Spiraflex resistance technology has been used for over 10 years on the International Space Station to keep astronauts fit. NASA study proved Spiraflex increased muscle size and strength as much as free weights. Spiraflex builds lean muscle that burns fat, even at rest. Patented double flex activation provides resistance to opposing muscle groups in each movement, so you can build a balanced body in less time. The OYO Gym is proven to strengthen and shape your body where you are right now. The all-in-one portable gym. Number 2. EVA Chill Air Cooler. This 3-in-1 device cools, humidifies and cleans dust particles from the air for healthier breathing. It cools the area in front of the device, approximately the size of a bed, couch or desk. It has an enlarged water tank that increases the working time up to 9 hours. Number 3. Parrot Swing with Flypad. Dual flight mode, quad plane. Designed for aerial stunts and high-speed racing with your friends. Reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour in airplane mode. It is known for its unique stunts like loops, 180-degree spins, cannon rolls. It has an increased piloting range with the included Parrot Flypad that works with or without smartphone. Number 4. Quirky Pivot Power. It has a flexible form that bends into circular, semicircular, and zigzag shapes. It has 6 outlet pods, which can be adjusted so that large power bricks don't hog space. ETL certified surge protection up to 672 joules, with an easy off reset button. It adjusts so you can utilize all 6 outlet pods. It bends to fit around furniture and in tight spaces. Number 5. Ivation Portable Shower. Transforms sink or bucket of water into instant shower stream, water-resistant unit. Includes one touch on, off switch. Showerhead features one simple flow rate for comfortable bathing experience, gentle enough for seniors, babies and pets. Showerhead securely sticks to any flat surface with provided suction cup bonus S-style hook. It lets you hang it safely overhead. Rechargeable pump plugs into laptop, car adapter or computer via USB. Full charge allows up to 1 hour of continuous use, and may include a wall plug instead of USB. Its small, discreet system packs easily in luggage, backpack or car trunk, for hiking, camping, kid bathing and pet cleaning. Number 6. Vacuvita One-Touch Vacuum Storage System. Store dry foods like coffee, crackers, bread, cereals and more in the home base, which is designed to sit on the countertop for easy access and create an airtight vacuum when closed. Use the home base and the vacuum tube and adapter to extract air from resealable bags and premium containers to keep your pantry, refrigerator or freezer organized in a way that works for you. Modern lines, sleek buttons and a range of colors make for a countertop system you'll want to show off. Enjoy food up to 5x longer. Vacuum sealing food reduces waste and saves money. The unique Vacuvita container coating system app lets you track what's in your freezer or pantry and how long a shelf life it has left. Number 7. Luminade Pack Light. Backup phone battery, solar charger and expandable camping lantern all in one. Lasts for tens of hours of light once fully charged, making this solar flashlight ideal for camping, outdoor recreation, and emergencies. Choose from 5 brightness settings, including intermittent mode. Recharge via built-in solar panels, or recharge via USB cable included. At less than 11 ounces, this device is powerful but not heavy in your package. Folds up to 1 thick, making it easy to transport or store, but expands into a 6 cube to spread light over a large area. 100% waterproof and dust resistant. It is made from tough thermoplastic polyurethane to withstand harsh environments. It floats on water. We hope you liked our video. Comment down your favorite invention of all these. Subscribe for more of our videos on your feed. If you liked our content, don't forget to click on the like button. Thanks for watching.